Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get Snapchat. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Play Store application in your mobile device. Once you find it, tap on it, and then search for Snapchat Plus. And then in here, you will see Snapchat. All you have to do is install the application. And once done, click on Open, and right now, you should now be led to the Snapchat application. Once you're here, you can even customize your very own page, coming in from your Bitmoji, to your cover photo, to your banner, and even to your name. And by name, I mean username. This could be your new influencer name. And in here, you can see Snapchat Plus. There is an option to get a pro version of Snapchat. It's all up to you if you want to subscribe. If you have made up your mind, scroll through these dots. And then on the last part, click on subscribe. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.